Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. It's more than 10x. He more than 10x'd his money in the group. This person, I'm up $10,000 in the last week. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market today in crypto, Bitcoin. Remember, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 3 days. All you have to do for a chance to win, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Boom, free money. Let's go. Bitcoin 1 hour chart, just for reference. This is pretty zoomed in, but we talked about amazing buying opportunities yesterday, and this bounce has been pretty epic for the Bitcoin bulls. Ran from about 31,000 up to 36,700. RSI is approaching overbought. The falling wedge that was printed on the RSI broke higher, which happened as well on the price action. So we'll go to the 2 hour chart to kind of explain. This is a new idea. You know, we talked about this triangle. I made this triangle lower trend line white right now. So, I mean, potentially this could be a more bullish falling wedge. And I'm going to talk about some Wyckoff ideas in just a second to kind of give us perspective on something that's possible. But what's happening here behind the scenes is everybody was short. Everybody was short. Shorts are stacking. Shorts are stacking. And so people are betting the Bitcoin's going to drop, and the market bounced. And so what shorts have to do is they're taking losses on their shorts. Like, I had a couple people hit me up and they're like, I'm short here, I'm short here. And I just lost a ton of money. And so what they do is they open up Bitcoin long positions in order to cover their short losses. And so you get these crazy pumps, just like what's happened in the past with GameStop stock, right? You get these crazy pumps, right? So this is happening with Bitcoin, and it's playing out. We're going to get more into this later in the video, but the bullish idea here would be that this falling wedge breaks to the upside continuation. But the most important thing here is 40,000's got to be broken to the upside for me to start really building a bullish case, right? 30,000 is the support down here. And so at this point, Bitcoin's just in this range still. I've got some amazing shout outs to give you in my trading group. This person says, shout out to you and your admins. I just got out of debt and I bought my first home by learning and watching what you taught me. Huge. This is life-changing money. You bought a house and you paid off all your debt. Huge. This person, shout out to Muhammad, joined the group. He learned more in a week than he did his entire 6 months in crypto beforehand. And that's what it's all about, learning at hyperspeed. This person, up $21,000 on this trade. Shout out to this person. He said, got to thank you for T-Fuel. It's been holding me in the green. Yeah, T-Fuel's up it's up 170% since I gave it to you guys. The bottom line is this. This market is tricky. You've got to learn and understand some basics. I can teach you everything. These are brand new traders. If you want to join the trading group, go to my website, cryptorev.net. If you pay with crypto for 6 months or 12 months right now, it's 50% off. I'm going to make sure you're in the best and most profitable trading setups. The altcoin hype cycle is here. It's starting, and I'll build that case with you. Watch. Let's go. Yeah, T-Fuel. Look at this thing going completely parabolic. I've talked to you guys so many times. They got staking end of the month. This thing is up 170%. This is keeping a lot of people's portfolios in the green, right? So data, I nailed data. Boom, 166% in. How did I find this? So they have this news. They're releasing Data Union 2.0. All the news is at the end of the month, June the 30th, right? The altcoin hype cycle is here. Get your exchanges set up. Kucoin, Binance links in the description. Get these things set up. Let's go. These are smaller cap BTC paired altcoins. They take off crazy. Look at what data has done in the past, right? You just have to know which coins pump like this. Data was up 104% back here in February. I made this post in March, but it was a previous altcoin season. Data, this pump action, this pumpology, data pumped 430% in 2 days in an altcoin season. I mean, that's the type of upside you get out of these. It doesn't make necessarily any sense other than there's news and there's small market caps. You have to take advantage of what this market has given us. And so I talked to you about these hype cycles. Here we are. We've made it through the doldrums, right? And we're headed towards June. Here we are. We're headed towards the hype cycle. Peaks out in July, slowly starts to fade off in August. Like, we've got a number of good months coming for these alt BTC pairs. Altcoins are going to outperform, or try to, depending on what Bitcoin does. Bitcoin goes sideways for an extended period of time. This will give us an amazing altcoin season. Let's go back to Bitcoin real quick. So we've been talking about this Bitcoin falling wedge that I just talked right here, right, on the 2-hour chart. All right, so this falling wedge, right, or descending channel, everybody's talking about Wyckoff, right? Wyckoff reaccumulation. And if you see, like, I don't necessarily trade Wyckoff, but I respect the ideas, and I can take the patterns that I do trade, and it essentially plays out the same way. But what you can see here is you got the same descending channel, right? And it leads, if this were to play out and be confirmed, you get a breakout to the upside of this pattern, right? And then explosive price action. At this point, again, we're just in this range, and so, stay grounded. Let's see what happens. But we're going to talk in a second just about what's happened here with this pump and what happened with pumps from Bitcoin in the past, where shorts are getting squeezed and you get a huge short squeeze. So again, just understand this Wyckoff reaccumulation would be the bullish scenario. I mean, if 30,000 doesn't hold, then again, you're looking for $27,000, $25,000 Bitcoin. But right now, 30,000 support, 40,000's resistance. Just keep it simple. Focus on that. Right now, we're trading the range for Bitcoin. There's so much news all over the market. BLZ's got Stargate migration. Posted a setup on that. You'll notice it's up like 25% right now. The Oracle backend and client support migration to mainnet support's happening June the 30th. Everything's stacked. End of the month. BZX is coming to Polygon. So the ticker here, BZRX, right? This is the only DeFi margin trading platform on Polygon. You can trade up to 10x more leverage with fixed rate loans. Again, they're offering the lowest DeFi margin trading fees. This is a catalyst for positive price action. Wing Finance. So Wing is pretty amazing. They're creating a stable coin for the ontology blockchain. And again, I got a setup posted on this, but this is going to be launched the second quarter. So everything has to happen end of the month in June, right? This is also going to be the first synthetic asset. So the first synthetic asset of a publicly traded stock is expected to be listed on Ethereum Wing by the second quarter of this year. So June 30th is the deadline. QLC, you can see they're going to support more layer 2 solutions. Second quarter, June the 30th. This is it. Altcoin hype cycle. Let's go. Curve Finance came out and they said Curve version 2 is here with crypto pools. Bring on DeFi summer. This is a thing, right? Sometimes alt BTC pairs pump, sometimes the low caps pump, sometimes the Chinese coins pump, sometimes privacy coin pump. These are the DeFi coins pumping potentially based on this DeFi summer idea. So Curve 2 is here. Now look at Binance, right? This is Binance today. Data. This is like this long list of coins that probably a lot of people don't even know about. But Data up 142%. Bitcoin Diamond up 50%. FIO 43%, 39, 37, 30, 22, 22, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 16. It's crazy the amount of money that's being made in these smaller cap cryptos. $157 billion Victory Capital comes out, and they plan to enter the crypto market. They aim to let U.S. investors get exposure to crypto through a private fund tracking the NASDAQ crypto index. This is huge. Again, this is just another step in the right direction. Bitcoin dominance. And so this is how I nailed the idea for the Bitcoin move. And Bitcoin obviously pulled back and now it's pumping. And so Bitcoin, this is a sign of strength, but Bitcoin dominance, what does this mean? It means money is flowing into Bitcoin more than the larger cap altcoins. Okay. So when this pumps, and so what this looks like on CoinMarketCap is you got Bitcoin up 12%, but Ethereum only up 5%. Most of the time, 95% of the time, if Bitcoin were to pump 12%, Ethereum would be up 20%, 25%. BNB would be up 25%. Like a 12% Bitcoin pump normally pumps the altcoins exponentially more, but it's not happening. And that's because Bitcoin dominance is increasing. So what you don't want to see is this trend higher than potentially the larger cap USDT paired altcoins in general will bleed. But this gives the opportunity for alt BTC pairs to outperform Bitcoin. Now there's ideas where this is overbought. And if this pulls back, you'll see money flow more so into the USDT paired altcoin. So very important idea to understand. Well, let's talk about the short squeeze idea. Because right now shorts are stacking. I got excited about this move here, and this kind of helped me understand, to look for the Bitcoin pullback. Now opens up an anomaly type situation where in the past, let me show you what happened. And this already kind of played out in some sense, but this is what happened back in October 2019. This was an epic short squeeze. Imagine this. So Bitcoin is at $8,200. And over a 3-day period, it drops down to $7,300, which is almost 11.5% drop. That's a pretty big pullback. Now, this yellow line right here, the yellow line comes in here. This is the USD shorts. Bitcoin, these are people shorting. They're betting that Bitcoin will go down. So as Bitcoin drops, people are betting that Bitcoin's going to continue lower, continue lower, continue lower. Well, Bitcoin shorts get squeezed because Bitcoin starts pumping. And so everybody that's short on Bitcoin, all of a sudden they got to buy Bitcoin to offset the losses that they're taking in the short positions. And so over a 3-day period, you got a 32% pump out of Bitcoin. This is one of the most epic short squeezes that I can remember. I'm not saying it's going to happen on this scale, but it's already happened. I mean, everybody was short right here. Everybody was short, and now they had to buy Bitcoin just to cover their open short positions that potentially are getting wrecked on, right? So they had to buy Bitcoin just to offset the losses. Okay, so real quick, just to leave you on this thought. So you've got this Bitcoin price action getting rejected by the 200 simple, and then a pullback to this is the previous triangle that this downside breakout started from. Okay, so I mean, it would be a bullish sign if the bulls can hold this level, this support level, and then get a move to the upside. I mean, what kind of damage would be done to everybody's short positions if this retests and then you get an explosive move to the upside? Shorts would get completely wrecked. This market is amazing at taking as many people's money as possible. And so this has been a pretty exciting and amazing day. We've got a lot of big things coming. Super excited about the month of June for these altcoins, the hype cycle, all the news that's coming out for these altcoins. Listen, If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.